Hello. The third type of simple tissue is sclerenchyma. Parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma. Characters of this tissue very important. Dead and mechanical tissue. It is a dead tissue. The cells present in the sclerenchyma are dead. No nucleus, no cytoplasm. It provides the mechanical strength, different types of mechanical strength, just like collenchyma. But the mechanical strength provided by collenchyma is different. Here it is different. Cells dead, cell walls thickened. Cell walls are very thickened towards the cytoplasm site. The cell walls are deposited with heavy amount of lignin, lignified. The lignin is deposited in the form of secondary cell wall. Therefore, it is so much thickened that the lumen will be very narrow and empty. Nothing will be there. Lumen means inner space in the cell. Lumen narrow, empty. The cells may be elongated, small, or may be arranged in groups, sometimes isolated. Individually they occur. Then function on the whole, if we see, strength support. Suppose a plant has to grow, young plant has to grow erect. So it needs some strength to stand erect. That is provided by sclerenchyma, strength and support. Protection against stress. Suppose wind, rain, or animals or anything. Strain, stretching. Then pressure and weight. Against all these, is sclerenchyma protect. Two types, fibers, sclerides or store cells. Sclerides or store cells. Fibers, fiber. The name itself indicates they will be elongated, narrow, with the tapering ends. Here you see elongated, spindle shaped, wider in the middle, narrower at either ends. Spindle shaped, tapering ends, pointed ends. Cell walls thick, lignified. This is cell wall, very thick. This is lumen. Lumen long, narrow, and these fibers are found in the cortex, pericycle, pericord, fruit wall, vascular bundles, within the bundles, around the vascular bundles, in and around. Fibers are useful commercially. Man is using the fibers of some plants as fibers. For example, if you see flax, Linum eustachisimum, then hemp, cannabis, jute. Then jute, this is a other one, jute is one. Agave, musa. In some areas, the fiber is extracted from the musa plants related to the musa. Then yucca. In all these plants, fiber is extracted, commercially used, and technically speaking, these fibers, these are the fibers of sclerenchyma. Remember, important. Then sclerides, stone cells. Stone means very hard. These are elongated, but these are usually narrow, not elongated. Maybe spherical, maybe in different shapes. vary in size and shape. Cell walls are excessively lignified. More than these, the cell walls will be very thick. Lumen narrow. Here, this is lumen. This is all cell wall lignified. This is lumen, narrow cell wall. Here, this found in fleshy fruits like guava, leaves, seeds, roots. The seeds are sometimes hard. That hardness is because of these stone cells. Then seeds, and sometimes it is present roots, but remember, Sclerenchyma will be absent in roots. Found in fleshy fruits, leaves, seeds, roots. Then different types are there according to the shape, according to the amount of lignin deposited, and according to shape and lignin deposited, the different types of strength and mechanical strength is provided. Brachysclerides found in the coconut shell, outer shell that we break. Pear related to apple, Pyrus malus. Then macrosclerides, these are also known as Malpighian cells. Seeds of bean, dolichos. Why the seeds are very hot? Very hot because of this, because of Sclerenchyma, because of stone cells, again because of macrosclerite. Osteo means bone shape. Here you see cells are bone shaped, shells are columnar, cells are spherical or irregular. Then astro, star, like this. Example, nymphea, in leaves they are found, water lily. Then filiform sclerites, very narrow. Example, olea. Trichosclerites, these are also like this, trichosclerites, very narrow, elongated. These are found in the aerial roots of Monstera, are also found in the olea. So thus brachysclerites, macrosclerites, elongated, osteo, bone shaped, then astro, star shaped. These two are elongated, narrow. How much elongated? Depending upon how much narrow, depending upon that filiform and tricho. Tricho means here hair like this, very narrow, elongated. But so thus, Sclerenchyma provides a dead mechanical tissue. One point you have to remember: lignin is deposited, provides mechanical strength, protection against stress, strain, stretching, pressure, weight. Fibers, sclerites. Fibers are like this, sclerites are like this. Fibers are commercially useful, but these are not commercially useful. These are 6 types: brachy, macro, osteo, astro, filiform, and trichosclerites. In the next class, we will see the complex tissue, very important, xylem and phloem. Don't miss that video class. Thank you very much.